Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 3 things you should not do at a modeling audition. All right guys, Allie with NGM Modeling here with you, and I'm gonna jump in with these 3 things you shouldn't do. The first one is don't oversell your experience, especially if you don't have much experience. You know, a lot of times people think that modeling agencies want someone who has done a ton of work and has a ton of experience and has done a ton of classes. And sometimes that's just not the case. Sometimes we're looking for someone with a little bit more raw talent to work with that we can help to develop. So don't be shy to say, hey, I don't have a ton of experience, but I'm willing to learn, or I want to learn, or I want to take more classes, or I want to get more experience. These are really good things to share with them. The next thing is apologizing for your appearance or for any, features that you have that you don't care for. So, oh, I know you probably want a blonde and I have dark hair, I'm sorry. That's not really something that you need to do. You don't need to apologize for the way that you look. If you felt confident enough to apply to go to the audition or the casting, then you need to show them that, because they chose you and gave you a time slot and are taking time out of their day for you for a reason. And that is because they had some interest in you. So don't come in there and apologize, because you already have at least that one win in your pocket that you were given a time slot to come to this audition. My last tip for you is that you show up with unprofessional headshots. Don't have, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your boyfriend, your friend go out back and take some pictures of you by the tree or, in a park with just their phone. And then you have these printed, at Walmart or whatever, and bring these in as your headshots. You do need to invest in professional headshots, guys. It is so important. You need to make sure that you bring a professional look with you to the table when you come to your audition. Hopefully these tips will help you at your next audition or casting. Don't forget to like this video. Leave me a comment down below if you've got any questions about auditions or castings. Make sure you share this video and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.